I'm going to show you exactly how to make a Valentine's card in Canva using a simple step-by-step method. This is perfect for gifts, classroom exchanges, or personal messages, and you can do this even if you're a beginner in Canva. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account. On the search bar at the top, type in Valentine's card and press enter. Canva will then show you a wide variety of templates you can choose from. Scroll through the designs and look for a template that fits the style you want. You can choose a landscape or portrait layout. Either way, you can still turn it into a foldable card later. Once you find a design you like, click on it and select Customize this template. When the template opens, you can start customizing it right away. You can edit the text, change fonts and colors, or add a text box anywhere on the page to include your name or a short message. If you want to make the card foldable, here's what you need to do. Select all the elements on the page, resize them, and move everything to the left side of the canvas. This left side will serve as the front page of your card, while the right side will be the back. Next, duplicate the page by clicking the Duplicate Page button. On the second page, add a text box and type the message you want to appear inside the card. You can format it however you like to match the overall design. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now have a simple, foldable Valentine's card made entirely in Canva that's easy, customizable, and ready to share or print. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and beginner-friendly tutorials like this, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.